From now on, all technology work orders can be directly entered into the work order system without having to go through the help desk or anyone on campus. To do that, on your desktop, you should have a help desk icon visible, and when you double click on that, it'll open up an Internet Explorer window and ask you to log in. This is your regular district name, and username, and password. Once in the system, on the left margin is a link called Help Desk. Be sure to click on that, and you can click on the New button here in the main pane. When it loads the next screen, it's going to ask you, is this a Skyward support issue or a general technology support issue? Choose your issue location there, and you'll see this new screen when it refreshes. There are 3 required fields here, the first one being some type of title for your issue, the second being the category of your issue. So when in doubt, be sure to just choose computer issue is fine, at least gives us a starting point, but be specific if it's appropriate. Next, under computer name, this is required, and it's the most important piece of required information on this form. You can find your computer name in the lower right-hand corner of your desktop in this batch of information here. The second line, PC name, we need this entire alphanumeric sequence. So it needs the entire thing. So to do that, you just click in this box and you can begin typing. And as you enter your numbers, it's going to start searching all of the ones that we know of, and you can click on your specific one. Now, this is going to be the number of the computer that is experiencing the issue, or the computer that is attached to the item experiencing the issue. So for example, if your smartboard is not functioning properly, we need the PC name of the computer that the board is attached to, or your presentation station. However, you can enter work orders from any computer that you have access to. Now next is the comment box. Please be as specific as possible, including any error names, numbers, or messages that you receive. That's always helpful in addressing your issues in a much more timely manner. And then down here below that, you have an option now for attachments. If you have any screenshots, any documentation whatsoever, please attach that. It makes it much easier to resolve your issue. Once you've entered in all of the information, you go ahead and click this Save button here. And once you've done so, it'll refresh the screen and take you to the list of work orders that are currently in under your username. You can see I have 2 that were entered in previously. These were test messages, and you can see the information relating to that work order, including the date and time it was created, the ticket number, and also the detailed information as to what its status is and when it was last changed. Now, you'll of course continue to receive emails from the system anytime a change is made, when it gets assigned to a tech, when it changes, anything at all, you'll get those emails. But you can log in and see the status of all of your work orders through the same portal. Be sure if you have any questions to please contact me as your SITS, or you can also contact the help desk at 0220, or you can email Kristen Guthrie directly at kguthrie@lcisd.org.